This is Ashton from the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel, and I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. And what I'm going to talk about today is a review for the OLSP system. And let me tell you, I've been getting consistent sales with this offer, like unlike many offers I ever promote in the past. And like this is on a daily basis. This I really wish I'd been on this offer a couple of years ago. I've been looking at this a couple of years ago, and I decided to join back in January of this year. And wow, I'm surprised at my results. So I want to take it to the back office and show you and give you the more details on what this offer is all about. So stay tuned. So this is the back office of the OLSP system by Wayne Crow, a solo ad vendor who created this one link affiliate program where you can get paid from 7 income streams, again 100% commissions on the front end sale, which is $7 per sale, the same price as the mega link offer. Basically what you need in order to promote the system. And as you can see here, my mega link ID and my affiliate link, what I need to promote. And as a result of that, I got like about $63.80. And I've been making consistent sales ever since I joined back on the 16th of this month. So and this program really does work. And as soon as you join to get the mega link, you basically what you want to do after following these 3 steps, basically showing you how to navigate the back office and what to do, because it might seem overwhelming at first with all this stuff. In the beginning, you probably won't see most of these programs already. Like this is stuff that I purchased through basically going through the 7 income streams. I didn't purchase everything. Cause like this still stuff that's already in for me to discover more. If you want to find those offers, you can always find them on here. So and here's a new added offer too as well too. I'm gonna definitely check that one out. Haven't seen that one, but there's some new stuff in here. But and on the free account, you basically will see only these 2 videos, and then the mega link prompt for you to join in order to promote the system. So basically explain to you why you need to join and how it can help you out and as an affiliate. If you're a complete beginner or if you're an experienced affiliate and you only made like a few sales here and there and probably not consistent, probably you didn't make sales at all, you probably didn't make a single cent online. Well, this company will definitely do that for you. And if you look at the comment denominator pro, I made 50 cents so far, and that is not even involved with me getting referrals whatsoever. All I did was just like literally comment on a post on the OLSP Facebook group, which I'll show you pretty soon. Basically high engagement Facebook group with like a bunch of affiliates are really making results on a daily basis like me. And usually what you'll see on here, like they'll usually make a post, like show a couple of posts showing the date of when they post it. And what you do is like there's usually like a view button when you view, and you basically make a meaningful comment on a particular post. And then what you do is like you copy paste a comment, and then on the actions just say submit. You submit it, and then you should see your comment show up as here. With some of them pending right now, my recent comments, and then some of them are already paid already. So I made 50 cents. I did 5 comments so far. So that right there is your first way to get paid. Small commissions, 25 cents per sale. Hey, I mean, it's better than not making a single cent online or even a dime. So, like this is guaranteed sales right here. I know we're not allowed to say that on YouTube or any other video platform you're watching this is on. But you can, like, with proof, you can watch on the video showing you that they actually pay you 25 cents per sale on here. It's a really good concept, and I've seen people make $28 off of like a certain amount of comments, and it really adds up. It adds up to your total amount of commissions you get paid right here. And as you can see here, this is growing. I've seen this grow up to 1,000, and it's more commissions being paid out on a daily basis. So they have encore, live encores you can join, and this also ties into like whatever level you're on, you rank you on. You'll be able to see this. So like the commission generator. So I made a purchase on like on a particular sale in order to get that, so I can be able to promote like high ticket offers. So you're not only getting $7 per sale, but and even some reoccurring sales, but you also can get high ticket sales as well. So it starts small in the front end, but in the back end there's some bigger sales you can make with the system, which I highly recommend. And here's my commission so far. Daily commissions, 25 cents. And even on the front page too, like right here, like I started like a day before, and within 24 hours, just like it said on the system, I made $7, and it just keeps on going from here on out. One reoccurring sale right here, and really happy about this. And it works. It really does. So with the magic link, which I want to show to you too, this is another way you can get paid with this system. On the list building magic link, basically follow the directions. It shows you how to get your magic link right here. Like you basically paid another $7. It's like buying a coffee at Starbucks. So it's like very simple, and you can also get 100 free clicks through Wayne Crow's traffic. And as a matter of fact, I actually made more than $7 with this traffic right here. And all people have to do is literally, like, the prospects when they click on your offer, you basically get a sale. You basically get 30 cents per sale, and it'll all add up to $13. So I got like about as you see on my commission chart, $13.80, and which is really good though. Like I was shocked about it too. Like that was not referral whatsoever. That was literally just people clicking the link, and all through Wayne's traffic. Like you basically got to send this to Wayne's traffic, but with 100 free clicks, that's a good deal right there. Like $13, all added to your affiliate link. I mean, all added to your total amount of commissions. That's really good. I'm not sure of any program that's ever done that before. Literally, that does all this free stuff for you right here as soon as you get the program. But basically, they have their own page, the TD funnel, which has a free trial. So there's also an optional done for you thing. It was like $47 per month, where they can do this every month, like send the traffic with 100 clicks on top of the free 100 clicks you're gonna get. And then the autoresponder that they'll have for you is the get response, if you don't have it already, which you can set up basically within the system, and they'll send the traffic to there, and they'll tell you to like set up the email, and then you put the TD page link along with your affiliate link, your magic link in there, so you can continue to make more sales as they click, like through even when your leads go to the autoresponder or get response. So this is really powerful. So and this is on top of the 7 income streams you're making, and like the front end sale, the common denominator pro that comes with the magic link. So, like you're making sales all around. Like, even if it's 25 cents, 30 cents, it all adds up. So you're definitely not gonna have what's say not gonna be a day where you're not gonna have any commissions. Like some of those commissions may show up on 7 days later or so, but it's there. It's literally there as it's ongoing as you set it up. So it's a really powerful system, which I highly recommend. And I'm gonna touch on the Facebook group here. Go to the Facebook group, OLSP System. And as you can see here, 143.4 thousand people members right now in the system. And, like it's highly engaged group. And like you see Wayne Crow, he has like these live trainings, Facebook trainings, and even Zoom calls. And then people are making sales on a daily basis, as you can see here. See what I mean? Like the amount of commissions paid out. So like a lot of members are making sales. Even including me right here. Post is high engaging. And it's not just small commissions here. There's some big commissions on here as well too. Look through here. You have some high commission sales. Let's show you some of the big ones. Here's one, for example. So you pretty much get the picture. People are literally making consistent sales on a daily basis with the system. And you see why a lot of people join this and like very low refund rate. Oh wow! I just received this commission as I was filming this video. $67.40. Where I got that commission at? For the magic link. This is very powerful stuff. $3.60. I gotta recommend this for the complete beginner and anybody else who haven't made a single sale. Definitely join this program. Link in the description. And not only would you get basically learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and email marketing and how to market this program as well, but you'll get like the basics on how to promote on Facebook for free, and you get the OLSP user guide, and then this I think this also comes with the magic link as well too, with like the traffic rotator and a mega link fast start pack. So you basically getting some a lot of content in here for $7, and and even for the magic link too, which is also $7. And in terms of getting leads, as the leads basically go through your link, if they opt into your page, they'll basically all show up right here in the back office under your leads. And then if you want to purchase traffic, you can use Wayne Solar Ad Traffic, which I highly recommend. I made sales with him before, promoting from another program, and his traffic he updates every week. So like it's fresh list. It's not a list bought from another solar ad vendor. It's like literally tier 1 traffic, and like new people showing up every time. As you can see here, like it's on the expensive side, but it's really good. Like buyers included, and you get so much for what you're paying for. So, without further ado, that's about it. And before I end this video, I want to talk about the bonuses. Now, for just $7 one time, with no monthly fees, if you purchase the OLSP system, you get a $500 complimentary hotel savings gift card. Really good deal right here. And then this one right here is really powerful too. And the companies already have a traffic rotator as well. But I'm also giving you one to increase more chances to get more signups. In addition to what you're already getting for comments on posts with the OLSP Facebook group and the magic link. So, you're gonna compound even more sales, and I'll probably have it like load your pages of commissions on just like me. So I'm sharing my success to you. So for the next 8 people, what I'm gonna do within next week, I'm gonna send the traffic to a highly targeted source called which I like to call the Google Ads for marketers. It's really good traffic source, and I try to live good and a couple other companies, and I've been getting sales with this. And the list is highly targeted, and they literally respond to you. And I'm also gonna promote this on social media as well too. So as you get rotating links to social media, it'll be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube Shorts. So I'm gonna focus on the short form videos to increase those signups, get more views and or so. And also, I want to do an email follow-up sequence as well. So I'm gonna have rotating links of 8 people. So all they have to do is just once they purchase the OLSP system, and then sign up and then get their mega link, which is their affiliate link. All they have to do is just send me a message on Facebook or the number in the phone number in the description, where they can text me their information so I can collect their affiliate link. And what I'll do is I'll put it on the rotator, and they'll be able to get a chance to get sales. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do for you and any other person that joins this system. If you like what you see and you had a mega ton of value from this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, then I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the link down below in the description to get access to the OLSP system, especially to get in on the bonuses with the traffic rotator to increase your chances of getting sales for more signups. So without further ado, thanks for watching.